Insomnia, sleep problems. In this meditation video series, I will teach you techniques and breathing practices that will help you fall into a blissful deep sleep. Subscribe to not miss a new video from this series. Day 3. Transformation of feelings. Hello and welcome to Dopamine. Get into a comfortable position. Make sure that you're comfortable and your body doesn't distract you. You can be directly in bed, in a semi-sitting position, or you can lie down. Take a deep breath in and a breath out. Close your eyes and tune in to meditation. Listen to the sound of the waves. After a while, thoughts will appear in your head. Watch them from the sidelines. What are you thinking about? At some point, your attention will be completely immersed in thoughts. Focus it on the sound of the waves to return to meditation. Breathe at your normal pace. Pay attention to your breath. How are you breathing now? Is it a deep, full breath in and out? Or intermittent with delays? Don't judge, just note and observe. Take a deep breath in and a breath out. And keep breathing deeply at a slow pace. Let your attention track how the air moves on the inhale, on the exhale. Focus on the tension you've built up. Perhaps it will be expressed by some nervousness, fuss. Right now, you will want to end your meditation and go about your business, but give yourself a chance to breathe out. Imagine tension in the form of a gray cloud somewhere inside you. What shape is it? Big or small? And where is it? Now, with each exhalation, exhale this cloud of yourself. Let it come out through your nostrils and dissolve. It transforms in space. Imagine a golden stream of relaxation and tranquility entering you as you inhale. And as you exhale, all tension, all anger, negativity, stress, hurt, and other negative emotions and feelings come out of you. A deep breath in and a breath out. A deep breath in and a breath out. Feel how you get rid of everything superfluous in you. It goes into space and dissolves. Transforms into something new. And with each breath in, you are imbued with calmness and relaxation. Your body becomes almost weightless, and inside there is a pleasant feeling of such calm joy and lightness. You become lighter, calmer, more collected. Feel yourself and your desires. You are relaxed and ready for deep sleep. You are here, now, in this moment. Now, exhale a little longer than inhale. Now, breathe at your normal pace. How do you feel now? Pay attention to the depth of inhalation and exhalation already at a normal pace. Just observe and note it. Very slowly and leisurely, take a lying position. And while maintaining this state of relaxation and lightness, get ready for sleep. Finish your meditation and good night. Pleasant dreams.